HCTI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. So especially looking at healthcare triangle sitting at 2 cents. This thing is correcting down further and further lower. So how's that going to look like? Well, having done well over 43,000 videos, it's not like I haven't seen this happening. You know, I've done this over 5 years, documenting every single day. It's all on my YouTube channel. And overviewing this, mate, just taught me that if there is a decent double break here, I'm still looking to take things further up. I'm not just going to assume that it's over and the plane is crashing. Because, I mean, technically we assume everything, but here I'm more so going to react with whatever the price is going to give me. How? Well, if there is a double break, I'm looking to take it further up. You know, that's that. So, not financial advice. If you want to learn to get to those 5-10k months trading consistently, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 500 people have tried it, plus you get a Discord access. Like I said, risk-free, and you learn all this freaking good jazz here. This page is the only thing you need to get to those 10k months.